Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Biometric scanner in 60 seconds by Sadali Sayyed, Network and Research Administrator and Virtual Instructor at MTX and founder of NetPlus.com. A biometric scanner is a device that reads and analyzes unique physical characteristics of a person, such as fingerprints, face, or iris. So the difference between fingerprint scanner, which we already covered, you can check it in the ID 60-second list. So fingerprint scanner just scan your finger, okay, fingerprints, and that biometric scanner not just scan your fingers, it can uh, scan your fingerprints as well as face as well or iris as well. It is used to verify someone's identity by comparing the captured biometric data with stored records. Biometric scanners provide a secure and convenient way to authenticate individuals for various purposes like unlocking devices, accessing buildings, or making secure transactions by relying on distinctive physical features. Biometric scanners ensure accurate identification and help protect sensitive information.